Now this seems to be a mating ritual. Choreographed steps which are obviously learned. I have no idea at this moment which is the male, which is the female, but they certainly know their steps. How long this will go on for, we've yet to find out. Now the one that disappeared went to the ground and ate something. It doesn't seem to be an offering. This is the second time that has occurred. Now they continue. This is such a fascinating example of what nature has devised. Because when they are sure, then they will set out to make their family. At this moment, I am a spy with a camera. It is unlikely that they are aware of my presence. Now she has disappeared again. I say she. She's somewhere within the rough.